So in general, to write an exponential equation, we can follow this formula. Y equals a times b to the x power, where a represents the initial value when x is 0, and b represents your multiplier. So here's another example of an exponential function. We need to figure out the initial value, that's the a value, and the multiplier, the b value. So what is being multiplied by each time? Well, 6 times something gives us 18, and 18 times something gives us 54. In this example, it turns out that the multiplier is 3. That's because 6 times 3 gives us 18, and 18 times 3 again gives us 54. Now, if it's difficult to figure out the multiplier in your head, what you can do instead is take one number and divide backwards. So if I take 18, I can divide that by the number right before it, which is 6. And 18 divided by 6 is 3. That means you're multiplying by 3 each time. So now that we have the multiplier, what is the initial value? Well, if we're multiplying by 3 going forwards, we can then divide by 3 going backwards. So what's 6 divided by 3? Well, 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. And that is our initial value, the a value. So what's the equation? Y equals the initial value, which is 2, and then our multiplier is 3. We're multiplying by 3 x number of times. So if I want to find day 4 and I want to figure out y, I can just plug in 4 into x. So y is equal to 2, and then we're going to multiply by 3, not just once, not just twice, not just 3 times, but 4 times. We just plug in x as 4. We can do the same thing for 5 or 100 or whatever x I choose. So the equation looks like this. And there you go.